How to enable and disable mobile data in Samsung T-Mobile notification panel. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn your mobile data on or off right from the notification panel on a Samsung phone using T-Mobile. I'll show you how to enable or disable mobile data in seconds and how to fix it if the shortcut disappears. Now, let's fix it, step by step. Step 1. Swipe down to open the notification panel. From the top of your screen, swipe down once or twice to expand the quick settings panel. You should see icons like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Step 2. Turn mobile data on or off. Tap the mobile data icon once to enable it. It'll light up or change color when active. Tap it again to turn it off. If you can't find it right away, don't worry, it's probably hidden in the full panel. Step 3. Check for hidden icons if it's missing. Swipe left or right in the quick settings area. The mobile data toggle might be on another page. If it's still not there, tap the three-dot menu, edit buttons, or quick panel layout. Then drag the mobile data icon back into your active list. Step 4. Use the settings app as a backup option. If the toggle still doesn't appear, open Settings, Connections, Data Usage, then switch mobile data on or off manually. This does the same thing, just through the menu instead of the notification panel. Step 5. Restart if it doesn't respond. Sometimes the toggle freezes due to a minor system glitch. Just restart your Samsung phone. The shortcut should start working again afterward. And that's it. You can now easily enable or disable mobile data right from your Samsung T-Mobile notification panel.